Super cute, super scary, carved, spooky pumpkin peppers. Num num num. Chop off the top. Remove the pithy white center. If your pumpkins won't stand up on their own, just slice off a little of the bottom to make them more stable. Then get creative with nasty eyes and scary mouths. Just like you would with a pumpkin, but so much easier. Make your filling. Fry your mint, sad garlic, and whatever other seasoning you want, and then chop up a Simon Howie haggis and add that into the mix. I also added some blood-curdling tin tomatoes. Stuff your peppers using spoonfuls of the filling and top with cheese, and then put the delicious morsels under the grill.
Boo!
Reuse the lids and serve to your family for scary delights this Halloween.